Ooh, that's nice. Love these colours. And let's turn them into these. Oh, so we've got our little screws, we've got our jump rings, and we've got the chains. So first job is to drill a little hole in your thing. Now, the obvious place to me seems to be in their head, but I don't want to drill a hole in its head. That just seems a bit mean. So I'm going to make a little hole in the side. This is just a little cordless electric screwdriver thingy. Yeah, a cheap alternative to a Dremel, basically. Then we give it a little clean up. We decide which colour we're going with, and I think gold for that one. So we get a screw and a jump ring. We're going to pop just a tiny dot of ultraviolet curing resin. You could, of course, use glue. I like my ultraviolet curing resin. So just putting a little bit on there. You could also just dip your pin in it rather than put it all around the hole like that. But I find that that makes a good strong seal like that. And then we cure it. Then once that's cured, that's nice and sturdy, that's going nowhere. Get our jump ring, twist it open like that. That one I've already put the loop on, haven't I? Okay, let's use that one then. So we open it like that, hook it onto there, twist it back closed, and you have an instant keychain. Now, of course, what you could do is hook some more little jump rings along the chain with, I don't know, tassels, charms, whatever else you want on there. So let's do that again. Here we go. We've got our... Can I suggest you wear gloves, by the way? I didn't think to put some on, and I've now got sticky hands, which I'll have to wash very carefully in a minute. Right, we're doing silver with this one, aren't we? So we push our little, our pin in. This is a lot easier if you haven't got long nails, by the way. Push our little pin in like so, cure it. There we go, and then we get our jump ring again. Twist him open, hook him on, hook it onto the chain, twist it back, and we are done. And so there we are. You now know how to use the little screws. You know how to open and close a jump ring properly, and how to use it to attach it to your keychains. If you like quick little tutorials like this, don't forget I've got a whole playlist for beginners as well on my YouTube channel, so watch ahead and enjoy, and I'll see you over there in that playlist.